planning to build your dream home. Hold on. Before you lay that first brick, you need a building permit. It's the law, and it ensures your construction is safe and up to code. Let's break down the process in 60 seconds. First, hire a licensed architect or civil engineer. They'll prepare your working drawings, site development plan, and other technical documents. You'll also need proof of lot ownership, like a land title. Next, head to your local barangay hall to secure a barangay clearance for construction. Depending on your project's location, you might also need a locational clearance from the city or municipal planning office. With those clearances in hand, it's time to visit the office of the building official, or OBO. Submit your application form, along with several sets of your plans, and all required supporting documents for their review. The OBO will then check your plans for compliance with the National Building Code. They'll give you a list of any necessary corrections and assess the required building permit fees. Once you've paid, you're almost there. After the permit is issued, you can finally start construction. Make sure to display the permit on-site and be ready for inspections at key stages of the project. Once construction is complete, apply for a final inspection. If everything checks out, you'll be issued a certificate of occupancy. This is the final document you need before you can legally use your new building. That's the quick guide to getting a building permit. For specific details, always consult your local office of the building official. If this was helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips.